Introduction to Remix IDE. Module 1, Video 11. Remix IDE is a web-based integrated development environment for Ethereum smart contracts, which provides tools for writing, testing, and deploying contracts. It is like an online workshop with all the tools needed for smart contract development. There is no installation required as it runs in a web browser. Remix has a clean and user-friendly UI for ease of use of beginners. Its key features include a built-in code editor, a compiler, and a debugger for writing smart contracts. To set up Remix, visit Remix IDE website and begin writing and testing your smart contracts immediately. You can optionally create an account to save your work. To write a smart contract in Remix, create a new Solidity file with an extension of .sol. Follow the basic contract structure of contract definition, state variables, and functions. Remix also provides code completion and syntax highlighting for Solidity. Once you have written your contract, click the Compile button to compile your Solidity code. Check for any compilation errors or warnings in the output. Resolve any errors by modifying your code and recompiling. You can use the provided debugger or deploy contracts to the JavaScript VM for testing. Identify and fix issues using the debugger and test results. Some deployment options that are provided are JavaScript VM, injected Web3, and external Ethereum network. Some major benefits of Remix IDE includes its accessibility, its feature to provide all tools needed for smart contract development, and its user-friendly interface. You should use Remix when you are learning, prototyping new smart contracts, or developing small projects. Remix Debugger gives you features that lets you step through your contract execution line by line, inspect and modify variable values during debugging, and set breakpoints to pause execution at specific points. You can test your contracts by deploying it to the JavaScript VM, then call contract functions and observe the results. You can analyze the contract behavior and identify issues. To finally deploy your smart contract, you need to select the environment you want to deploy it on. Deploy your compiled contract to the selected environment. You can now interact with the deployed contract through the Remix interface. Remix also gives you access to plugins and extensions. Solidity Tests, which runs automated tests for your Solidity contracts, and Etherscan Verification, which verifies and publishes your contract source code on Etherscan, are some of the popular ones. There are additional plugins supported by Remix for additional functionality. Remix also gives you collaboration features like file sharing, code comments, and team access for better project management and teamwork. Some popular learning resources are its documentation, some example Solidity contracts you can browse and learn from, and Remix community. Remix IDE roadmap includes improved UX for an even better experience, expanding the plugin ecosystem for additional functionalities, and a deeper integration with Web3 providers and wallets. Remix is a great platform where beginners can learn more and experiment with smart contract development. For any further doubt, feel free to reach out to us on our Discord server. Thank you.